Hi, my name is Sam Passmore. I'm a production apprenticeship based at BBC Radio Wales. Recently I've been a researcher on the phone-in show with Jason Mohammed Monday to Wednesday and John Paul Davis Thursday to Friday, or others, they can vary. Since joining Radio Wales back in, I think it was June, I've moved from the afternoon show with bennaf and Larry Shaw. Been a researcher there where I learnt how to write briefs, do pre-records, edit audio, and a little bit of production as well, which has been brilliant. On the phone-in, I do pretty much the same, write briefs, but more of a political edge to it, sort of reacting on the news of the day. That's been really interesting. Some of the highlights have been when I joined Radio Wales from sport, because that's where I originally was. One of the first briefs I did was writing an interview for Phil Wang, the comedian, and I managed to sort of be in the sort of room when we did a Zoom call with him. Got to talk to him for a little bit, which is pretty cool. Jack Whitehall, another comedian, I'm really big into my comedians, so they've been some of the highlights. The next sort of couple of months I'm hoping to try my hands at comedy, so not telling jokes, don't worry, I'm not funny enough for that, but a bit of writing, a bit of scripted radio, so I'm going to reach out in the next couple of months and hopefully do that. But if you're thinking of applying and thinking of doing the apprenticeship, I'd wholeheartedly tell you to do it, because it opens you up to learning so much, finding so many connections, so many sort of chances come your way once you're on this apprenticeship, so please do it, it's the best thing for you.